Nebula Series air conditioner. Care of your comfort with high performance. Smart. Wi-Fi control. Control your climate easily from wherever with smartphone. Comforts. 3D airflow. Vertical and horizontal auto swing louvers deliver 3D airflow like natural breeze. Optimized cross-flow fan. Advanced fan blade design, reducing airflow turbulence and noise by changing fan blade inclination angle from 27 degrees to 25 degrees. Optimized air duct design. Super quiet, down to 20 dB air. 20 meter plus, long reach airflow supply. Turbo cooling. Innovative airflow technology delivers quiet and comfortable air. Health. Nano aqua purification. UV ray purification. Exquisite filter. Multiple layers of filters. Multiple purification effects. Oxygen fresh. Air exchanger driving outdoor fresh air into indoor side for air freshness. The air purifying system ensures indoor air quality for your health. Performance. APAP DC inverter. Wide temperature operation, minus 25 degrees centigrade, low ambient temperature heating, minus 15 degrees centigrade, low ambient temperature cooling. Aire Nebula Series air conditioner. Care of your comfort with high performance.